Hey everybody, your boy Dominoes 7 here. All right, I would like to welcome y'all to this vlog. This vlog gonna go on all three of my channels, okay, as well as the next one, okay. All right, so anyway, y'all, Dr. Martin Luther King Day, okay. So Dr. Martin Luther King's actual birthday was January the 15th, okay. He was born in 1929, passed away April the 4th, 1968, Tanya's birthday, but Tanya wasn't born yet, okay. All right, so he was a civil rights activist, It say Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. was a American Baptist minister and activist who became the most invincible spokesman and leader in the civil rights movement from 1955 until his assassination in 1968. Okay. Yep. And you know something, y'all? I do support this day. You know what I'm saying? Yes, I do. Okay. Y'all put y'all fists in the air and stuff like that. Yep. I support that. Okay. So, like I said, though, I mean, I really enjoy a day like this. When I first heard of King Cake, I thought it was supporting Dr. Martin Luther King. You know. Well, all right. So yeah, I have a phone call, so I'll talk about this another time. Right? Bye. Well, I'm back. Okay, so anyways, I had a phone call and stuff like that, so I decided to come back with this vlog. Okay, all right. So anyway, I really do support Dr. Martin Luther King Day. I support him, and you know what, y'all? I watched him on the Mike Douglas show. I wasn't born when he was featured on the Mike Douglas show. I was born in 1984. Okay, so I had to put these two segments together. Okay, put these two videos together. But anyway, as I was saying though, I mean, I watched them on the Mike Douglas show. Somebody uploaded the Mike Douglas show on YouTube, here on YouTube. I'm so glad I could watch that. Yep. So he seemed like a great guy. Yes he was a great guy. And listening to that "I Have a Dream" speech and stuff like that, I had a dream and all that. I talks about my dreams too. I had a dream about this. I had a dream about that. Okay. Yep. I do like that speech, honestly. I really do like that speech, honestly. Okay. So long as it's not hateful, because the only thing I don't like is hateful talking, negativity. I can't stand negativity. So that's what this show is all about. Okay, positivity. Okay, no negativity. Okay, all right. Okay, so all right. So the next video I'm gonna do in a minute. Okay, so all right. So I'll see y'all later. All right.